Picture this. You're sawing logs all night, not in a forest but in your sleep. It's a symphony of snores. But wait, there's hope. First up, change your sleep position. Ditch the back and opt for the side. It could be a game changer. Secondly, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. Regular exercise, balanced diet, and cutting down on smoking and alcohol can do wonders. Thirdly, hydrate. A dry throat is a snorer's best friend. And finally, consider seeing a doctor. It could be sleep apnea, a condition more serious than just a few loud Z's. Better sleep is just a few steps away. So why wait? Turn that symphony of snores into a silent night. Repeat these steps and you'll be on your way to a peaceful slumber in no time.